Well, tonight's Super Bowl will be the first with 5G, but some local puppies are getting 5 stars from judges.
Manoj Pangwari joins us live at the 3rd annual Puppy Bowl in the Twin Cities. Manoj, how's it going over there with all those cute, adorable dogs?
Yeah, Rebecca, Kim, for the 3rd straight year, Pet Central Helps is bringing out these little guys, giving people a chance to play with them, but also working on getting them a home. Now, all day long, these pups have been playing, and some actually tried to escape, but it's all in good fun. The organization has adopted close to 2,000 animals, and while many are having a blast tonight, the goal is to raise money to continue saving these animals. Now, this event goes on until 7, so if you've been thinking about getting yourself a little dog, come out while you still can. Leaders say it's an event you won't want to miss.
I think everybody should be here. Every animal lover should be here, because even if you're not ready to adopt today, you may be in the future. You may know somebody who does, and you can put out a good word for these special dogs.
And if you missed today, don't worry. Pet Central Helps will be at PetSmart next week, Sunday, from 11 to 2, where you can check out all the little animals over there. In Normal, I'm Manoj Pangwari.
Absolutely adorable. Thank you, Manoj.